criticizing our society and condemning the circumstances we live in are very common topics of discussion when we get together. Pointing out faults and shortcomings in the society is not only intellectually very relishing, it also makes us feel superior. Nothing is perfect around us, and neither can it be. In fact, some societies epitomize many evils and wrongs. But the question is, can drawing room criticism and intellectual bludgeoning rectify this situation? A society generally reflects the trends of its majority. If it is afflicted with wrongdoings, then we all have a role in it. We do condemn these wrongdoings, but when the time comes, is it not true that most of us indulge in the same wrongdoings that we take exception to? Brooding, complaining, and criticizing will take us nowhere. It may satisfy our ego and vent out our emotions, but the energy spent in such statements and discussions will dissipate into thin air. But then there is a way to channelize this energy and make the best use of it. When darkness is deep and all-embracing, let us light a small candle and let it shimmer through the fuel of our commitment to set right our own selves and whatever is under our jurisdiction. This perhaps is the only way out and the only constructive strategy we can adopt. Imagine the effect if each one of us lights a candle in the pitch darkness that prevails.